Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So right now I'm at work. I decided to make an international colleague vlog. So I will introduce them to you all. So please don't skip the video and make sure you watch till the end. Guys, I have my first colleague, a DJ. So tell them your name. Name your name.
My name Andrea.
Okay.
I'm from Italy.
Okay. Say something in Italy.
No, ferma.
Say your name.
Andrea, ciao ciao.
Ciao, ciao. You're from which place? You which country?
From Italy.
Italy. Hi. Thank you. Grazie mille.
Grazie mille, ciao
Grazie
ciao.
mille. Ciao, ciao. We have another friend.
Okay, my name is Shadi. I'm from Egypt. I just wanna say Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, thank you.
Team. But let's say, like now, if you have any complaint about the food or fabric, whatever, you're gonna offer new portion, right? But if someone dies here, he loses, he loses life. You're gonna
Look, guys, he wants to be in the camera so bad, but he's acting all cool that he don't want to appear. Anyways, forget it.
Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I hate you.
Yeah, he
We
hate
love
himself.
You. We love you.
Yes.
Join
Guys,
us, guys.
ignore his
Join
eyebrow, okay?
Yeah, don't.
Bro, look.
Yeah, don't bother. This is our steward guy. Don't forget about him. So.
Exactly. Hey guys, good morning. I'm at work now. I would like to introduce you to one of my dishwasher. He's standing next to me, so just say.
All of you.
So you're telling people,
All of them.
all of them like who?
You are fired.
He cannot fire me.
Go.
See guys, he's my manager. He abused me. He abused me like this.
Missing on
Physical abuse. Hey guys, hello, Ibrahim. Yes.
Please keep following the Rebecca until she reaches 1 million followers.
Thank you, the real supporter. He is the real supporter. He is a nice guy. He's such a good guy. Okay. Hey guys, I will introduce you to one of my best colleagues also. Say something to my subscribers, please.
Guys,
Follow her,
subscribe.
Yes.
Follow me and follow him.
Yes. Please listen to them. I just received my parcel today. Guys, let's do the unboxing now. That's a huge one, huh? So this is the machine. This is the grinder. Let's begin with the machine. So this is my coffee machine. Extra 2. Tada. Milk steamer. Grind the coffee here. मुझे निजे खर्चा ऐसे तो खर्चा ना की खबो आखोन्ये पनाई ना तपाई जीवो मान भूख लगी ना ऐसे तो
Ara tala beef lai tu.
kau lagi ngapain mo oh no so many people are watching it Nito do Christmas la kana baja se dry fish to chutney panawo oops ye de bhai ka chalai na banai re because we don't have any other option मुझे तो भूख लगी है This will be enough for both of us. All the spices here. And so अखुनी तो एक बार खुली ना दिखाई दी almost finished ना.
Ano po? Wala sa liya anda po ito na.
So guys, the Mujin like chicken curry essay. Almost to call essay. And we have the akhuni with potato and egg. Sabi, the big already. Then we have the leaf here, not the mustard leaf, but similar to that. We love greens. Jasmine rice, aro ito dry fish, tomato, aro fresh chopped onion dalina. Aro mo yun daw ito lang college day. Gi. So guys, the food is ready. Mujin kawale say dia. So kala video do nalo because mujin bishi starve kore na ase. So let's show them around.
Like Philippines.
Guys, look at our
Like I
place.
didn't eat body cake.
Sabi,
Mo yung last signature post.
I love one. So nakakita mo si spectacle. Mujin don't take brother pa din na.
Hiliwala na parang
Piliwan na parang siya.
Hindi ka masigwa.
So mo to get ase actually mo to na khalabi ko ase.
Bueno, si mga midase.
Sima khando after kha biche de tahan khalai ko iste.
Bueno,
মান কন্যা খান্দ নিজর খাইছে নিজর ফলাব লাগে of course kasi কন্যা like the first priority আছে after food